Here are the 7 things that you need to consider while you're writing your poultry farming business plan, and this will guarantee you success and funding from investors. And so number 1, you need to specify your market. At this place, you want to be very clear as to who you're going to be supplying your products to. And as a starting farmer, these 3 places can offer you good market. Number 1, you want to target eateries, which are hotels and restaurants around your farm. Secondly, you can also target schools and learning institutions which are around you, which can offer you some good market, especially for the eggs and the poultry meat. Thirdly, you want to target supermarket and malls. These also are a reliable source that you can sell your products to. All you need to do is to sign a contract with them and agree on the day that you'll be delivering the products to these institutions, and there you'll have yourself a market contract. Still, you want to make sure that your farm is located at a very strategic position. Ensure that your farm is at a place where consumers can easily access your products, and you as the owner of the farm can easily transport your products to the market. Location is very key while you are discovering your market. So specifying your target market comes in handy in determining the kinds of birds that you're going to keep for your farm. This will determine if the market demands for layers or maybe the broilers, which are majorly kept for their tasty meats, or even ducks, turkeys. Specify your market and it will direct you on this step. After clearly stating your market, you will come up with 2 conclusions. 1, you will be able now to understand the kind of competition that there is in your field, and secondly, it will give you a clear understanding of the unique steps that you must take so that you can have a market share of this highly congested market. You must come up with a unique selling proposition which will guide you through your venture to understand the steps that you must take so that you can be able to have a market share. What are the steps that you'll be taking as a business to become different and unique in the market that you're about to enter? Number 1, you can offer to deliver your products to the doorsteps of your consumers, because not all the consumers are able to reach the market. And so by just offering this small service of delivering your products, you'll be able to get a market share which is untapped by all the other suppliers. Secondly, most poultry farms do not allow people to visit them. You can become unique in a manner that you will allow people to come into your farm but not enter the poultry house. This can allow you to generate more sales because people will want to interact with the owner of the farm and also ask questions in case they want to start the same venture. Also in this area, you must indicate how you will feed your chicken, because there is a niche market which love consuming organically produced products, and therefore by you indicating that your farm will focus on organic production of feeds, this will help you to capture this niche market. The next thing you need to focus on is to like this video and help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for doing that. You can also be unique by allowing your chicken to go free range, and free range chicken are known to have a tastier meat, and the eggs also are known to be different because they have a deeper yellow yolk, and also the taste is so much different. So your unique selling proposition should just define what makes you different from all the other suppliers who are congested. So still under the same point, you need to come up with a SWOT analysis of your competitors. You need to focus on their strengths and their weaknesses so that you can find opportunities and threats which will help you to maneuver through this business. So what are their strengths? What makes them stand out? Is it their ease of market access or their ease of transportation? You need to know this and write it down. Also ask yourself and consider the areas that they are lagging behind in, and take this to your advantage. Write it down in your business plan and use it to capture the market that is untapped. So the next chapter, you deal with production and development of your farm. And here the first thing you want to write down in your business plan is products that you'll be dealing with. Are they eggs? Are they meat? Are they duck meat? Or are they turkey meat? Be very specific in this place, because it will show that you are clear and you have a purpose that you are chasing after. And also, you also need to indicate at what period will you start receiving these products from your farm. Now that you have a customer in mind, you now need to write down how you intend to reach to that customer. What means are you going to reach to the customer? Will you start your own shop where you will be selling your eggs? Will you use social media? And if so, how are you going to utilize social media? Because nowadays we see people are surfing more and more on Facebook, on WhatsApp. How are you going to use these platforms to sell your products? You also need to indicate the pricing of your products. What will be your retail price? What will be your wholesale price for bigger clients? And you also need to indicate how are you going to penetrate these markets.